lives, and only some of you who is actually going to Heidelberg, to the University of Heidelberg. Okay, so it will be nice seeing you there more often over the next year. So, what invites you there? So, the University of Heidelberg is the oldest university in Germany. It's also the oldest university of the Indian Consortium, as we found out yesterday. Many prominent scientists have worked there over the years, including many Nobel Prize winners. International rankings see it as being certainly among the top in Germany. Different rankings place it somewhere within the top 3. And it also occupies a very good position in Europe and the world based on complex criteria, including teaching, research, quality of life, and so on. Germany avoids ranking its universities because they're all supposed to be equal, but as usual, some are more equal than others. And Heidelberg does belong to the unofficially called elite universities in Germany, based on some special funding by the German Universities Excellence Initiative. The university has 12 departments, which includes a biosciences department, and uniquely for Germany, and I think most other places, not one but 2 medical schools or medical faculties. One of them is located in Heidelberg, and the other one in Mannheim. These are 2 separate cities, separated by about 20 kilometers. This is a view here from the castle in Heidelberg, and you can already see the taller buildings in Mannheim in the distance. Now, in your course, you will have some activities in Heidelberg, which, as you know, is a very nice town located on the rolling hills around the Neckar. But most of what you'll be doing will be in Mannheim, which is not altogether bad news, because while the castle in Heidelberg lies largely in ruins, we have this beautifully preserved Baroque palace in Mannheim, which actually happens to be the 2nd largest Baroque palace in the world after Versailles. There are other sites in Mannheim, beautiful parks, a rich cultural program, and the best ice hockey team in Germany. So, now let me tell you something more about the medical faculty Mannheim. So first of all, let me tell you what it isn't. There's a university in Mannheim, which focuses on the social sciences, business administration, and IT. And the medical faculty in Mannheim does not belong to it. It belongs to the University of Heidelberg. This is the campus here of the hospital. And if I show you an aerial view, this is the same location here, just on the banks of the Neckar River. Some of the teaching will take place in this building here, just across the street from the hospital, called the Old Brewery. It used to be a brewery for beer, but now they have expanded quite a lot, so this is now the new brewery, which is the largest one in the region. And the other part of the courses will take place on the other side of the brewery, in the building called Tridomus, so the beer drinkers among you will no doubt appreciate the strategic location of our course. There's a restaurant here which sells all varieties of beer produced down here. And for those of you who buy their beer by the crate, there's an outlet here. So you can stock up. So,
that's a great introduction.
The hospital itself has been consistently ranked among the top hospitals in Germany. It has all clinical specialties apart from dentistry. And in terms of research, its 4 main research focuses are the areas listed here. Medical technology, I mentioned yesterday something about the developments in the direction of automation of patient diagnostics and treatment. Another big field of research is oncology and different types of cancers. The 3rd one is translation in neuroscience. And the 4th focus field, to which officially we belong, although our research also has a lot to do with oncology. I'm talking about our particular department is vascular biology and medicine. So the medical faculty in Mannheim has excellent reputation in teaching, in education. It has been consistently ranked among the top German medical faculties, out of a total of 34 such faculties in Germany. And curiously, last year, there are 2 state exams in Germany for medical students, and in both of these exams, Mannheim took 2nd position among all faculties after the faculty of Heidelberg. So the 2 medical faculties at the University of Heidelberg are ranked 2nd, 1st and 2nd in the country. So our students are not only good at taking exams, they're also happy with the education that they get, which has been assessed by the German Center for Higher Education Development. In addition to the basic medical curriculum, we offer at the moment 2 master's programs, one in biomedical engineering and one in translational medical research, which is the one that those coming to Heidelberg will basically be joining. So I suppose by now you're familiar with our website. These are the 3 key people involved in the program. This is the program director, Jonathan Sleeman, who was supposed to be here but couldn't come, unfortunately. This is the study coordinator, Susanne Hausert, and the administrator of our master's program, Anja Keppeler. So you'll be dealing a lot with these people on a daily basis if you come to our university. So the program is on translational medical research. How do we define that? There are 2 aspects of it. The first is that to take findings made in basic research and to make them useful to the clinicians so that they either can employ new diagnostic approaches or use new therapeutic tools. But there's also another side to it, which is that observations made by clinical researchers can then feed back to the basic researchers and inform them how to design novel experiments to further deepen our knowledge. So this is effectively this bench to bedside and back, or BBB motto that runs through the Immun program, and it certainly runs through our master's program too. So how do we approach this? I find this excerpt from a feature in Nature Medicine very good, which was talking about the interactions between basic and clinical researchers and how to bring that together, their needs together. And it talks about physicians receiving some exposure to basic research and to laboratory work. And at the same time also basic scientists who are interested in translation research, finding out more about the clinical practice, clinical trial designs in human diseases. And this is what happens in our program. These are basically the 2 types of students that we usually have. Biologists, let's say, biotechnologists on the one hand, and medical doctors, and each of them then is exposed to the other side, so to say, and learns how to better translate what the other side has to offer, how to better use it in order to translate basic findings into practical applications in the clinic. So how is the course organized? It has a modular structure. There are 4 modules followed by a research internship. And this year the exams will be directly at the end of each module. So the first module is called Biological Basis of Disease. What it involves is at the beginning a week of courses in soft skills. At the end there's also a course in kind of basic lab skills. And in the middle of the course you have a number of lectures on what we call the hallmarks of disease. This is a bit of a busy slide, but basically it outlines the rationale of this hallmarks of disease section. So instead of going through individual diseases or groups of diseases, we kind of try to conceptualize, on the one hand, the triggers of disease, for example, external triggers such as radiation, other physical stimuli, chemical, nutritional stimuli, infection, or internal triggers such as genetic predisposition, hormonal imbalances, and so on. And these external and internal triggers combine to induce certain hallmarks of this, or certain features which in different combinations occur in almost all common diseases. And there are separate lectures on many of these aspects. The second module, you can see here the dates, but those coming to Heidelberg will receive this information in even more detail. So the second module will give you, its name is Current Challenges and Cutting-Edge Methods in the Diagnosis and Clinical Treatment of Disease. And you will be talking about clinical trial design, ethics, ethical aspects of conducting those and conducting research with patients in general. You'll be talking about current methods in diagnostics, statistics as applied in particular to clinical trials, and also about contemporary therapies for different diseases. What I forgot to mention in the first module is that at the end of it there will be a 3-day practical that we call, it's not really quite right, small sport.
Not the Swedish spelling.
Not the Swedish, I don't think this is correct spelling in any, but anyway. So what it is a 3-day practical essentially, so we offer you the opportunity to perform certain common lab procedures. For example, our lab will be offering a practical invasion and migration assays in cell culture. And there will be a similar thing at the end of the second module, which would then be more clinically oriented. Again, a 3-day practical thing. So this is followed by a 5-week practical project. So you choose a lab and you perform a little research project in it. Often the idea is that what you do in these 5 weeks will then be continued in the last module of the program, which it's not shown here, but it's a 5-month research internship studies from March until July. Okay, and the fourth module, translational research, it combines a number of different topics which again related to what I was talking about yesterday, how to translate. Now you're learning in the first modules about the basic side, also about the clinical side, so how to translate things from one to the other more specifically. We have also a number of external lecturers for this module, whereas most of the first 2 modules are given by internal faculty members. And this is a list of some of the topics that are discussed here. So, for example, specific case studies, how this translation will be approached led to some improved treatments of disease, what infrastructures you need, for example, biobanking, animal models, different core facilities that support the research, some aspects of drug development. The company that I was presenting briefly yesterday, Moli, will also give a presentation how they approached this aspect, industry innovation. There would also be a site visit. Last year it was in Merck. I'm not completely sure what is the plan for this year, but it might be the same or something similar. As I mentioned, there are a number of large pharmaceutical companies in the region. and you will have a kind of a little project where you have to choose a rare disease and kind of develop a concept about how to perform research on it that could bring us forward in its treatment. Okay, so this is once again the final overview. And with some impressions of last year's course, I would like to thank you for your attention and we'll be happy to take any questions.
Questions? Yeah.
The 5-week research project that you mentioned in the first semester, is it supposed to be at the university or one of the partners at the university partner?
Free to select whatever. It has to be similar, it's conceptual research. But we can also go to Heidelberg if you use something and apply to other kinds of companies as well yesterday. I think you officially need to have a supervisor from the university, also supervisors in some company. Basically, you're free to choose. As I said, in practice, most people end up choosing something from within the faculty.
And is the same true about the 5 months?
Definitely, yeah. I mean, that I think some people even went to other countries. So,
Okay. Well, you were allowed to do that, so. Yeah.
No more questions? Okay, then we continue.